Whoa! Yo, everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I've came across a new Indonesian group, goes by the name of No. The song that I'll be reacting to, it's called Superstitious official music video. So this is actually my very first time checking out what these females, what they're capable of. Now I can see there is four gorgeous looking females, and I want to see if the beauty can go along with their talent. Okay, so with this in mind, I'm just a Jamaican traveling from Jamaica to various sections of the world to learn about new artists, the culture, the heritage, the music, everything that have to do with the musical diaspora in any country. So I'm now here to learn about the No group in Indonesia. With that being said, let's see what's up. I don't wanna say I saw it from a mile away. Wow, wow, this is one of the team members' voice. This is one of the crew's voice, and this sounds amazing. This looks amazing. Rap, bro. I gotta say, they have bars. They got bars. They've got bars. Okay, so it's a pleasure to see these females, bro. Apart from the ones that I've known, Pucci Ariani, Vani Fabiola, you know, all those Indonesian top singers I've known about, bro. They are excellent. With this type of voice, they are excellent. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yo, wonderful voice. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my morning days, bro. What a sweet vocal. Wow. This is terrific. Definitely beautiful. This is definitely energetic. This is definitely an excellent scenery. Bro, I gotta say, these females here looks freaking outlandish. The dance moves are so smooth. Their body figure is just so pure, bro. I mean, like, wow. I ain't gonna lie. These females are excellent. Very excellent. You know? What a lovely group of females, bro. Lovely. Just lovely. Damn. This song is quite catchy. This song is something that's gonna play in my head like over and over again. You know, with this is a certified hit. For my first time, bro, listening to these females, I could tell that they are very talented. They got this, bro. And they're doing it like it's nothing, bro. For the first time, bro, I am being a fan of their music. Bro, just take a minute. You let my guard down. Wow. Just by a minute, she let her guard down. And that's the entire thing, bro. That's just so sad. But it's gonna get superstitious. Like, wow! Music! This is music! Wow! To be honest, bro, Indonesia, you people are very talented. Music that is substantial, bro. Oh, this is magical, bro. This song is magical. This is beautiful, bro. This is quite reminiscingly beautiful. Like, so much beauty is coming from this song. So much importance is coming from this song. It's like you're grasping for more. Like you're just craving for more. You know, let's continue. Oh my flipping days. The tempo of the music changes, bro. The tempo of the music changes, bro. The outfit is now changed, dog. What? Wow. Okay. This is mind blowing, bro. Like the music just calm like this, then the tempo just change, bro. And I could tell you that these women are very talented. Like, bro, this is so much to take in at this point, bro. I wasn't expecting this at all, bro. Yo, for me, bro, I would definitely allow this woman to be the wife of me. Everyone. I would not leave none out, bro. Like the looks, the voices, the talent, being a woman, everything that a man requires. These women are displaying here in this video, bro. Like, dog, like, ain't no, yo, my god, dog. Like, yo, this is amazing, bro. They are amazing, dog. Like, they are amazing. Requesting that, do it all, do it all, do it all, take it all, bro. That would be no hesitation for me. Once she requesting that, bro, I'm like, the hell out of here, bro. Right inside of her, bro. I get the chance to go, so why would I even hesitate? Do it all, take it all, bro. Bro, are you even mentioning what she's saying, bro? Bro, what? Bro, Superstitious, bro. Definitely a perfect song. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This video is excellent. The song is perfect. You know, the translation is perfect. It's so hard to take in, bro. Like, holy damn, bro. There's so much talented people out there in the world. Like, bro, my first time is like my entire time listening to them and know the music, bro. Whoa, whoa, I am feeling good. Like, no, no, you women have done excellent, and you guys have done well. For my first try here, it was good. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like for more, subscribe, hit the bell icon, stay tuned because there are gonna be a lot more where none of videos are from. So I'll see you guys in another content, man. Peace.